Okay, first game of our semi-final round, day 2 of our Mayor's Cup 2025. Battle between Guadalupe Chambry and Guadalupe Purisima. Game time! Again, battle between Guadalupe Chambry and Guadalupe Purisima. Jersey number 8, Francisco. Pass to Francisco. Jersey number 27. No good. Rebound by Ceballos. Jersey number 24. To jersey number 13. To Ceballos. To number 16. Ceballos for 3 points. Number 8, Francisco. To jersey number 27. What a play. No good. Rebound by Number 7, Dante, too strong. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Ceballos, stop and pop. Wala, rebound by jersey number 27. Francisco to Francisco. Shot clock 18 seconds. Ibalik Francisco to Dante. 14 to shoot. Francisco. Short, rebound number 30, Caratao. 2 points, jersey number 30, Caratao. 8 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. Ceballos. Pass to Ceballos, Naguyan. The jersey number 16, Ceballos, down to shoot. Rebound by De La Peña. Naguyan. Jersey number 7, Dante. Brings the ball down, takes the pass, the jersey number 27. There's a rebound. Francisco, jersey number 27. 8 minutes, 20 seconds, 15 to shoot. 12. Stolen by number 27, Francisco to Francisco. No good. Rebound. Guadalupe Purisima. Jersey number 13, Preno. To number 16, Ceballos. Back to Preno. Shot clock 15 seconds to Ceballos. No good. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 24, Ceballos. First personal foul on jersey number 24. First team foul for Guadalupe Purisima. 7 minutes, 15 seconds remaining. Francisco. Caratao. Fake. 14 to shoot. Caratao Naguyan. Ginagay Francisco. 10 to shoot. Francisco to Dante. Dante. No good. Rebound by Ceballos. Fast break pass to Ceballos. Big expires. 2 points.
Number 16.
Jersey number 16, Ceballos for 2 points. 5 all. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Shot clock 12. 10. Caratao. Natake number 28. Tumaga, bumalik. 5 to shoot. Steal by number 16. Ceballos. A foul committed by jersey number 27, Francisco. First personal foul, jersey number 27. First team foul for Barangay Chamber. 5 all, 7 minutes, 9 seconds. Rino goes over. Natakay si Balios. Abang from si Balios, no good. Rebound by Caratao, jersey number 30. Caratao, size it up. Caratao, pulls up. No good. Rebound goes to Barangay Purisima. An easy deuce to si Balios, jersey number 16. 7 points from jersey number 16. 5-7, 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Shot clock 15. Francisco. No good. Rebound, jersey number 24. To De La Peña. To Sibalios. Fake. Sibalios. Nakagandong. No good. What a speed from Francisco. Turnover. Francisco to number 13. Too strong. Foul naman. Foul on jersey number 24, Sibalios. Second personal foul on jersey number 24, Sibalios. Second team foul, substitution. 5-7 in favor of Barangay Purisima. 6 minutes, 9 seconds. Sabanal, pass to Dante. Shot clock 18 seconds, 6 minutes. Francisco to Sabanal, huli by De La Peña, no good. Francisco, what a pass from Francisco. To Caratao, jersey number 30, 2 points. 7 all. Second deadlock of the ball game. Sibalios, fly-by. To number 15. To Sibalios, time to shoot. Sibalios to Sibalios. Big. Huli by Francisco. Recovers. Number 13, no good. Rebound by Sabanal. Napuyan. 5 minutes, 25 seconds. Seven all out of the score. 5 minutes, 25 seconds. It is Sauce Kumoa. Huli by Francisco. May foul. Who's foul? Foul on jersey number 17, Sibalios. First personal foul on jersey number 17. Third team foul for Barangay Purisima. Substitution.
13 pala, 13 foul. 13 foul. Dari ka pa si Sako, coach. Oh.
Caratao. Lapao. Shot clock 12. Dante. Ooh, what a sneaky move from jersey number 7, Dante. Change before yung laban sila Barangay Chamber. 9-7, 5 minutes. Another steal from Barangay Chamber. Caratao. Pass to Sabanal. Sabanal. Hinata kay Francisco. No good. Rebound by Sibalios. Pass to jersey number 1, Mahusay. To number 7. Ooh. No good. 4 minutes, 38 seconds. Sabanal nakalusot. No good. There's a foul. A foul on jersey number 1. Mahusay, that's her first personal foul. Fourth team foul on Barangay Purisima. Shot clock 14 seconds. 14 to shoot. Substitution. Francisco Abang for 3 points. Jersey number 27, Francisco. Shot clock 15 seconds. Jersey number 10. Hule by Francisco. 11 to shoot. Well, another steal, recovered by De La Peña. No good. A foul na naman sa Barangay Purisima. Foul on jersey number 19, penalty. Jersey number 19, De La Peña. First personal foul, penalty. First try from jersey number 7 and basket contact. 2-14 from Mr. Dante, jersey number 7. 14-7. 7-point lead by Barangay Chambery. 4 minutes. 15 to shoot. Number 19, De La Peña, short rebound by Francisco. Ooh, from Francisco. Sumanal, shot clock 15 seconds. Hule. Number 15 to Villarreal. A block, but there's a foul. A foul committed by jersey number... There's a first personal foul, jersey number 1, second team foul for Barangay Chambery. 3 minutes, 36 seconds. Jersey number 7, Villarreal, first try basket. Sweet charity, rebound by Villarreal. Villarreal to De La Peña, Mahusay using the screen. Wala, rebound goes to Barangay Purisima. To Villarreal. Ooh, what a scoop shot. No good. May foul naman. May foul on jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, Sabadalas, first personal foul. 13 foul for Barangay Chambery. Timeout taken by Barangay Purisima. Remaining time is 3 minutes, 18 seconds. 3 minutos, 18 segundos. Our score, Barangay Chambery 14, Barangay Purisima 8. They back to the building. 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Jersey number 19, De La Peña, first try basket. Sweet charity, second chance, stolen by Sabadalas. Jersey number 13, no good. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Villarreal brings the ball down. Pass to Crisostomo. Too strong. 10-14 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 27, Francisco. Beat it back. Hule by Becca. De La Peña. De La Peña to number 15 to Villarreal. Mid-range, no good. Rebound by Sabanal. Pass right pass to Francisco. No good. Rebound by Crisostomo. 2 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. Villarreal, pass to jersey number 1, Mahusay, goes over, behind the back, pass out short, rebound, put back by Mahusay. Jersey number 1, for 2 points, 14-11. 2 minutes. Shot clock 15 seconds. 12. 10. 2 points. Abidaras. Jersey number 13 from Bangay Chambery. 16-11. Shot clock 12. Another baseline. 2. No good. Rebound by Dante. Dante to Abidaras. Jersey number 13 hesitate. Nabuyan. Substitution. 1 minute, 28 seconds. Substitution. Shot clock 17 seconds. Yes! Huli! Pati number 15. Villaruel to Mahusay. Mahusay. Top step. No good. Rebounded by jersey number 55. Villarreal. To Villarreal. Villarreal. My Crisostomo. What a block from number 15. 1 minute and 9 seconds. 16 to shoot. Didoroy. No good. Rebound, pass, break, pass to Villaruel. Villaruel, pass to number 25. No good. Rebound na Mahusay. Huli by Villarreal. Bitay Lora Itsura. Ball number 13. Sabitalas naman. Sabitalas. Hands. Wala. Rebound by Villarreal. Villarreal. No foul. There's a foul. A foul committed by jersey number 10. Pekka. Penalty. Jersey number 10. First personal foul penalty. 46 seconds remaining. Jersey number 00, first try, no good. Rebound by Pekka. Foul on jersey number 55. First personal foul. Port, team foul. 44 seconds. On what? Using the screen. Huli. Number 4. Ginamagay sa banal. Goes over. Base the pass. Over. 28 seconds. It's off the ball. Line one. Huli naman yung nabigyan. Didoroy. Didoroy. Ginamagay number 1 sa banal. Sa banal. Up step. My foul. Foul committed by jersey number 1. Mahusay penalty. Second personal foul on Mahusay penalty. 18 seconds remaining. Two for 2 from Sabadal. 18 seconds. 15. What a move from number 15. No good. Rebound goes still. 8 seconds. Number 25 to Mahusay. Mahusay number 1. Mahusay fading away. 2 points. 2 seconds. That's the end of our first quarter. Bangay Chambery 18. Bangay Purisima 13. A 5-point lead enjoyed by Bangay Chambery. K-Star of our second quarter. 5-point lead enjoyed by Bangay Chambery. 18 16-13. Jersey number 8 unlocked. Pass to Ceballos. To Mahusay. Mahusay. Fade away. No good. Rebound by Chicago Chamber. Jersey number 27. Francisco. Francisco. Shot clock 15 seconds. Francisco. Fires. Foul by jersey number 16. Ceballos, jersey number 16, first personal foul, first team foul for Barangay Purisima. Two for two from jersey number 27, substitution. 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Our score is 20 Barangay Chimbury, 13 Barangay Purisima. Harwat, Nabuyan, Tinatagay de la Peña, 12 to shoot to Ceballos. Long bomb, no good, rebounded by Barangay Chimbury to Arataw, huli. 18 to shoot. Francisco fakes, pass to jersey number 8, number 6, 2 points. Really Arias scored 2 points, jersey number 6. 22-13 in favor of Barangay Chimbury. De la Peña to Ceballos. 12 to shoot, spins to De la Peña, foul. Foul on jersey number 8. Francisco, first personal foul, first team foul. Split charity from jersey number 91, De La Peña. 22-14, 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Francisco. 14 to shoot to Francisco. Lot of time from Francisco to Francisco, jersey number 27 for 3 points. De La Peña attacks, no good. De La Peña will rebound. Nabalik Carataw. Carataw's on the run. Caratau, drop pass to Francisco. 2 points, jersey number 8. Rebound, jersey number 27. Francisco, pass to jersey number 8, Francisco. Caratau has a move, foul. Foul on jersey number 16, Francisco. Second personal foul on jersey number 16. Second team foul for Barangay Purisima. Jersey number 8, Francisco, first try, basket. 2 for 2 from jersey number 8. 7 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Number 13, got to number 16, to number 17, and big, Preno, for 3 points. Jersey number 13 for 3. 29-17, 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Francisco, out of bounds. Number 13, Ceballos, step back. For 3 points, jersey number 17, Ceballos.
Wala na po.
Shot clock, 15 seconds. 12. Francisco, wala. Rebound by Ceballos. Ceballos. Huli by number 28. Foul. Foul on jersey number 17. Ceballos, second personal foul. 13 foul. 13 foul for Bata Purisima. Number 8. Number 6. Shot clock 15 seconds. Number 6. Steal. Ay! Wala mo! Wala! Rebound by Ceballos. Pass, right pass to Ceballos. Ceballos spins. Fires, no good. Rebound by number 28, Villarreal. The jersey number 6. Number 6. Pass number 8, foul. Foul, jersey number 91. De La Peña. First personal foul, 14 foul. Shot clock 16 seconds, 14 foul clock. What a play from Barangay Chambery. Easy 2 points from jersey number 25, Vidarianas.
31.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Mahusay, jersey number 1 for 2 points. 6 minutes. Francisco, hands, no good. Rebound, goes to Barangay Chambery, 14 to shoot. No good again, rebound by Mahusay. Pass to number 13, Preno. Pass to Mahusay. Mahusay. Rebound by Ceballos, number 17 for 2 points. Number 28, no good. Pass break, pass to Preno. Preno, step back. 3 points. Preno. Timeout taken by Barangay Chambery. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 23 seconds. 5 minutos, 23 segundos. Our score, Barangay Chambery 31, Barangay Purisima 27.
Salo ay? Pwede kang salo? Ako siya na coach?
Back to the ball game, 31-27, 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Shot clock, 16 seconds. Dante, no good. Rebound and pulled back by Dante for 2 points. Jersey number 7. Sa may timer na yun, magbabatag may pigigit. Shot clock, 15 seconds. Jersey number 17, Ceballos. Pass to De La Peña, back to Ceballos. Corner 3, short. Pulled back, no good. Rebound by Dante. 4 minutes and 45 seconds to Francisco. Jersey number 27. No good. Pass break pass to Ceballos. Too strong. Why Sabanal? Sabanal. Has the move. Sabanal. No basket. Foul sa dalawang. Foul committed by jersey number 1, Mahusay. Third personal foul on jersey number 1, Mahusay. Penalty. Sabanal. Basket. And now, rebound. They change the Biladas. Shot clock 15 seconds. Number 27, 12 to shoot. 10. Number 7, Dante, applied by. No good. Rebound. Shot clock 12 seconds. 12 to shoot. Martel, 10 to shoot. To Francisco. Short. Rebound Dante. Dante muscles in. Foul. Basket counts. Foul on jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, Mahusay. That is your 4th personal foul. Dante for the N1 play. Basket. 37. 27. Pass to Ceballos. Out of bounds. Martel slows down. 3 minutes, 45 seconds remaining. Sabanal, close over. Shot clock 14 seconds. Sabanal, pasa pa puli sa Barangay Chamber. Timeout taken by Barangay Purisima. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Barangay Purisima, no more timeout for the first half. Barangay Chamber makes a foul. Our score 37, Barangay Chamber 27, Barangay Purisima.
Totong B.
And this game is brought to you by Josconi Totong B. They back the ball in 37-27, a 10-point lead enjoyed by Barangay Chamber. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Ceballos, 14 to shoot. Jersey number 16 against Cardao. 10 to shoot. Using a screen. Ooh, what a move from Ceballos. A bump, my foul. Foul on jersey number 25. Villarreal's first personal foul. Second team foul for Barangay Chamber.
Offline, free-throw, offline.
Rebound by Cardao. Cardao has moved. Cardao pass to number 25. Number 25. No good. Rebound by number 91. 3 minutes remaining. Preno. Shot clock 14 seconds to number 91, De La Peña. To Ceballos, number 24, 10 to shoot. Ceballos, number 17, for 3 points. Two minutes and 45 seconds. Shot clock 15. Sabanal, the jersey number 25, Villarreal, 10 to shoot. Hey, Sabanal! Rebound by number 24, Ceballos. 3 against 2. Ceballos to Ceballos. And 1 from jersey number 24. Basket counts. Foul on jersey number 25. Villarreal. Second person. 13 foul on Barangay Chamber. Timeout taken by Barangay Chamber. Remaining time is 2 minutes and 22 seconds. 2 minutos, 22 segundos. Barangay Chamber 37, Barangay Purisima 32. Jersey number 24 completes a 3-point play, 33-37. Dante, what a spin, Dante, pass to number 4, no good, rebound, my foul on jersey number 30, Karatao, first personal foul on jersey number 34, team foul for Barangay Chamber. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. De La Peña, jersey number 91, pass to Ceballos, 15 to shoot, to De La Peña. Too high, pull back by Ceballos, good. Rebound by Gordao. Jersey number 4, pass to Sabanal. Sabanal, big bet. Finds jersey number 28, Gordao. Big bet, 15 to shoot. Gordao fires. No good. 1 minute, 31 seconds. Treno. Shot clock 18 seconds, De La Peña. Pupareno. To Ceballos, number 24. Mula, rebound by number 28. Villegas. Pass to Villegas. Villegas, jersey number 4. No good. Rebounded by De La Peña to Ceballos. Pass to Ceballos. Stop. Pop. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Last touch by Barangay Purisima. 1 minute, 10 seconds. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. 1 minute. Number 4. Fires. No good. Rebound by Karatao. 12 to shoot. Jersey number 30. Nabuyan. 10 to shoot. Pass to Sabanal. Sabanal. Uy. Sabanal for 2 points. Jersey number 1. 39 and 33. 35 seconds. De La Peña. 15 to shoot. Beat it back. Foul on jersey number 7. Penalty. Got that first personal foul penalty. Jersey number 91, De La Peña, Sweet Cherry. 24 seconds remaining. Shot clock 15. 12. 10. Up and down with a double cross. 8 to shoot. Dante. Number 24. Foul. 8 seconds. And what? Number 91. 5. Number 25. Pass to number 17. 3 points. A buzzer beater to end the first half from jersey number 17, Ceballos.
37, 39.
Our halftime score, Barangay Chambery 39, Barangay Purisima 37. Again, welcome to our Mayor's Cup 2025 here at Municipality of Manapla. Salamat natin ng pasalamatan. ABC Presidents ng Municipality of Manapla. From Barangay Chambery, Honorable Barangay Captain Ronnie Salwa and Council. Honorable Barangay Captain Barangay Thomas, Barangay Captain Alexander Maceda and Council. Our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Mayor Micaela Socorro Escalante. Honorable Vice Mayor Edgar Pagayonan and the Sangguniang Bayan member of Municipality of Manapla. Also, we acknowledge the presence of our Barangay Captain Olivia Sorsuelo, Honorable Barangay Captain Marnie Capital, Honorable Barangay Captain of Barangay 1A, Honorable Barangay Captain Eljan Lozano, and Kagawa Terry Desina. Terry Dikinia.
Pastime tanay, pastime ang upward. Sponsored by EBC President.
Okay, may pa-halftime shootout na.
Pulo na katawo.
Pulo katawo.
Worth the target.
Worth 500 pesos. Half court shootout.
First 10.
First 10.
Migo!
The price tag is 500 pesos.
Rep!
Sponsored by our ABC President of Municipality of Managua from Barangay Chingri, Honorable Barangay Captain Ronnie Salo.
Pulo.
First 10.
Dan!
Pulo Matalo. Half court shootout. 500 pesos. From ABC President, Barangay Captain Ronnie Salo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 8 na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 9. O isa pa. O 10. Okay na. Yan 500 pesos. Ang ato niya prize.
Wala na ba nga ya?
Lapas sa kuret, yung balay. Dapat din makalapaw.
Dapat hindi maglapaw sa kuret. First. Tapukas. Napiling ko siya din eh. Ko siya eh. Ano papunta ba ako? O hindi siya eh. Coach Mavs. Ako man.
Si Manny.
Oh, grabe. Kaya tumigilan.
Kinamot ba?
Tapos. Okay.
Oo, siya ako iligan.
Siya pag-ibig sa buhok. Wala ka.
Sabay, yung sa mga kaya.
Kik-kik mo. Ari na! Si Ali na i-version dito.
Yeah. Taga pa bandred.
Sa mga participants. Next game naman. Okay, started our third quarter. Again, our halftime score. Barangay Chingri 39. Barangay Purisima 37. Jersey number 23 to jersey number 27. What a pass! Too strong, rebound by jersey number 16. Slows down. Fires, too strong. Rebound by jersey number 13. The jersey number 23. Diazes. Sabi Dallas, natumba. Sabi Dallas, sinatag number 23. 12 to shoot, number 23 to Francisco. Ibang, no good. Rebound kay Dante. Dante to number 28. Number 28 back to Francisco. 8 to shoot. To number 28 to Dante. To number 13, Big. 5 to shoot. Foul. Foul on jersey number 8. On one, there's your first personal foul, first team foul for Barangay Purisima.
Dallas.
31-37. 9 minutes, 15 seconds. Bueno, shot clock 15 seconds to Anwar. To Ceballos, fake, Ceballos, hesitate. Ceballos fires, no good. Rebound by number 28, pass to number 23, the access. Impasa Babuli sa Barangay Chamber yung gula. 31-37, 8 minutes and 59 seconds remaining.
Tatlo na. Kailangan na. Third shot. Tatlo na sa. Tatlo na. Ng second team foul. Wala agad. Wala pa.
Bye.
Hindi. Suwan pa ako din.
Shot. Foul on jersey number
Hindi to 43 kay Paul Basket.
16. Jersey number 16, Port. Who's foul? Number 24? Oh, number 24 ang foul. Number 24. Third personal foul on number 24.
Sino nag-shot ulit? Sa ano?
Paul Basket?
Oo.
Ito ang nag-pistro ka?
Wala man Paul Basket. Diba? Support ito eh. Sino goal shot?
3 points.
Ito shot na? Kalya? Number 8? Mamangkot ko kung sino nga kulay shot sa ano.
Number 13. No good. The rebound by jersey number 24.
Sino ulit shot? Oh, chak na. Oh, ulit.
Rebound goes to Anwar. Anwar number 15. 2 points.
Wala, isa. 42, 43. Sige na, libot dito.
14 shoot. Number 7 down there, no good.
Break lang ko, ito yung dalang ako ng time out.
43, 42.
Shot clock 10. Number 8 and what? Too strong, rebound by Ceballos, number 24. 10 to shoot. No good. The rebound by jersey number 7. Pass to Francisco. Francisco Nabuyan. Francisco hesitate. Francisco pinilit. My foul! Basket counts. Foul on jersey number 15. Number 15 is your first personal foul. 14 foul.
45. Ano? 42. Lima pa lang puntos nila.
Substitution. 46, 42.
Saka 3, saka 2. Kaya gusto sila. Wala mas lapit bro.
Number 8 and what? Number 13. 14 to shoot. Ceballos. Too strong. Rebound and what? For 12 to shoot. And what? Binalik. To number 19, De La Peña. 3 points, De La Peña.
91. 8 points mo lang, tsaka na.
45-46, 1 point lead. The Barangay Chamber. Number 1, pass to number 3 points, 6 minutes.
49.
Number 91, 19, pass to Ceballos, too short. Rebound by jersey number 13, Sabidalas. Sabidalas is on the run. Pull up Jay. No good. Rebound by jersey number 19, 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Shot clock 10 seconds. Ceballos for 3 points.
Si City aja po.
$48, $49. Paratao. Short rebound by. Last touch by Burisma. 49-48. Shot clock 14 seconds. 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Rebound Ceballos, number 17, pass to number 19, De La Peña. 5 minutes! Preno, 14 to shoot. To Anwat, to Preno. Pulls up, no good. Rebound by Ceballos, Ceballos. 12 to shoot, Ceballos, fading. Wala, rebound goes to jersey number. Foul on jersey number 15. Penalty. Jersey number 15, second personal foul penalty. Timeout taken by Barangay Purisma. Remaining time is 4 minutes and 41 seconds remaining.
Ang score tayo is 49-48. 3 kay Anwat, 3 ni De La Peña, 3 ni Ceballos. Isa pa malang ka-3 na imo ni 17. 5 points inyo early mo. Tsakto 5 points plus isa ka-3 ni De La Peña, isa ka-3 ni Anwat sa ano dio. 8 pa ano. 3, 6, 9, 11. 11 lang sakto na ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 11 to 10 run mo. 11, 10 run. 10 sa piyak, 11 nila.
Yambe amigo mo, oh.
Jersey number 27, first try, basket. Rebound, out of bounds. Last touch by jersey number 30, Paratao. 50-48, 2-point lead, Barangay Chambering. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Preno. Shot clock 18 seconds. 15 to shoot. 12. 10. 8. 5. 3. Out of bounds. 4 minutes, 17 seconds remaining. Substitution. Sabanal, jersey number 1 brings the ball down. Shot clock 14 seconds. Number 27, short rebound by De La Peña. Pass to jersey number 15. The jersey number 1, Mahusay. Hands, no good. Rebound Mahusay. Mahusay base, reverse, no good. Rebound by number 19, no good. Put back my pal. Now, jersey number 30, Paratao. Second personal foul on jersey number 30, substitution. First team foul for Barangay Chambering. First team foul. try. No good. Rebound by Francisco. Here's number 27. Number 27 is on the run. Number 27, my foul. A foul on jersey number 91. Delpena, second personal foul penalty. Three minutes, 41 seconds. Sweet charity from jersey number 27, Francisco, 51-48. Number 91 takes the pass. Number 91, hands, so good. Rebound by jersey number 13, Sabidas. The jersey number 7, Dante, got a guy, Francisco. Karatao, 12 to shoot. Karatao, what a find! No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15 on his own. Number 15 is on the run. Pass to Ceballos. Rebound by Sabanal. Sabanal steal from behind by Villaruel. Villaruel, 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Villaruel to De La Peña. De La Peña to Ceballos. Corner 3. Bang! 3 points.
Number 16. 17 jak.
Pwede na magulangan. Magulangan.
51 on. No good. Villaruel, jersey number 7. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Mahusa. Shot clock 14 seconds. To De La Peña. Foul. Foul away from the ball from jersey number 1, Sabanal. Second personal foul on jersey number 1, Sabanal. Second team foul for Barangay Chambers. Second team foul. 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. De La Peña, 12 to shoot. Pass to Ceballos, 10 to shoot. Ceballos, Talusot, 8 to shoot. Shot clock 4 seconds. 4 to shoot. Number 91. 3. 2 points. Jersey number 15.
Gusto mo na siya? Pagkita?
Gusto mo?
Mapansin na ang Barangay Barisma, 53-51. 10 to shoot. Foul committed by jersey number 7, substitution. First personal foul on jersey number 7, penalty. Over 2 from jersey number 4, Villayanas. 53 all. 1 minute and 45 seconds. De La Peña finds Mahusay. Huli by Francisco. A foul. A foul on jersey number 1, Mahusay. Fouled out. Jersey number 1, Mahusay. Fouled out. Technical foul on jersey number 1, Mahusay. Hindi pwede ilagpos ang buga.
Hindi ka lang sa golf out. So.
Unsportsmanlike behavior na sa mga kontra-technical. With 1 minute 39 seconds remaining. Si Juan Tres Guales. Penalty.
Sana, sige, ano?
Francisco.
Si Francisco na.
Penalty na penalty. Here's number 27. Basket. 54-53. 2-4-2 from jersey number 27. 55-53. Balik sa tuwa. Napansin sa Barangay Chambery. Shot clock 15 seconds. Woo! Led by Francisco. Foul on jersey number 13, Zabidala, second personal foul. 13 foul, 13 foul.
Hindi, kaboy.
14 to shoot. 10. Number 7, Kuza, 2 points. 1 minute 10 seconds. Francisco Nabuyan. Outbound. Shot clock 16 seconds. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. Francisco Puza Blapaw. Number 27 to number 17 to number 16. 2 points. 57-55. 50 seconds remaining. Sa Banal to Villegas. Shot clock 15 seconds to 0-0 to Sabidalas. Number 13 fakes, lean, no good. Rebound number 0, 2 points. Villegas. 57 all, 30 seconds remaining. Ceballos to Ceballos. Shot clock 15 seconds. A bomb! Too strong. 18 seconds. 15. 12. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 7. Penalty. Second personal foul on jersey number 7. Penalty. Jersey number 27, Francisco. Rebound, jersey number 16. 5 seconds remaining. That's end our third quarter. Barangay Chambery 58. Barangay Purisima 57.
Salam.
1 point lead enjoyed by Barangay Chambery. Battle between Barangay Chambery versus Barangay Purisima. 58-51. 1-point lead enjoyed by Barangay Chambery. Here's number 13, Prano. Shot clock 18 seconds. With number 91, Ali play from Barangay Purisma. Number 4. Ali play man. Huli man sa Barangay Purisma. Ali play. Prano to Sibalos. Sibalos goes down to Sibalos.
Foul. 28.
Wala pa over, May. Wala pa over.
First team foul.
Prano. Sizing up. 12 to shoot. To De La Peña. Wanna give it a go. But you will buy De La Peña. Free throw. No good. Rebound by jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Number 4. Hangs. 3 points from jersey number 4. Villarreal. What a nice move from jersey number 4. Ceballos. Fly by for 3 points. Jersey number 17. Ceballos. 60 all. Number 30 got down. And out. Rebound by Ceballos, number 24. Fast break pass for Ceballos. Ceballos, a bomb again. No good. Out of bounds. 8 minutes and 39 seconds. Substitution from Barangay Chambery and Barangay Purisma. 8 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock 15 seconds. Francisco has it move. Nakatanlog. No good. Rebound goes to Barangay Purisma. 3 against 4. Pass to Preno. No good. Rebound jersey number 7. Dante. Dante. Hangs. 2 points from jersey number 7. Dante. 8 minutes remaining, 62-60 remaining. Shot clock 12 seconds. Number 15. Pass to number 17, a bomb. No good. Pull back by jersey number 24. 62 all. Number 30 got down. 7 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. Shot clock 17. Number 8, Francisco. No good. Rebound, De La Peña. De La Peña to Preno. 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Preno to Francisco, to Ceballos. Ceballos fake. Ceballos slides. Nabulan. Steal by Barangay Chambery. Number 8, Francisco. One out down to Francisco. Francisco to number 28. 2 points. Time out taken by Barangay Purisma. Remaining time is 7 minutes 13 seconds. Remaining time out for Barangay Purisma, isa. For Barangay Chambery, may 3 pang time out. Barangay Chambery. Again, remaining time out, Barangay Purisma, isa. Barangay Chambery, may 3 pa. 64-62 in favor of Barangay Chambery. Remaining time out for Barangay Purisma, isa. Preno. Pass to Ceballos, fake. Shot clock 15 seconds, Ceballos. For 3 points! Init-init. Ako po si Balos, jersey number 17. 65-64. 1-point lead. Barangay Purisima. 14 to shoot. Dante, 10 to shoot. Number 8, Francisco. Above. For 3 points. Jersey number 8, Francisco. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Sibalos to Sibalos. Number 3. Foul on number 17. Sibalos, jersey number 17. Third personal foul. First team foul. 6 minutes, 19 seconds. Shot clock 18 seconds. Francisco fires, fade away, no good. Rebound. Dante, naman ni number 8, Francisco. 12 to shoot. Caragao, no good. Rebound goes to De La Peña. Foul. Foul on jersey number 28. Second personal foul on jersey number 28. Second team foul. 67-65. Shot clock 15 seconds. De La Peña. 14 to shoot. 12. 10. Hey. 5. Sibalos. Hule, my foul. Foul committed by jersey number 27, Francisco. Second personal foul on jersey number 27. 13 foul for Barangay Chain Billy.
Basket.
16, 66.
2 for 2 from jersey number 16. 67 all. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Shot clock 15 seconds. Francisco. Foul. Foul on jersey number 91, De La Peña. That is your third personal foul, jersey number 91. Second team foul for Barangay Purisima. 14 to shoot. Caratao spins. Caratao. No good. Rebound goes to Barangay Purisima. Sibalos makes the pass. De La Peña. Cupreno. 8 seconds violation. 5 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. $14 to shoot. Francisco. No good. Rebound by Sibalos. To De La Peña. To Sibalos. Recovers Cupreno. To Sibalos. Not 2 points. Timeout taken by Barangay Chemry. Remaining time is 4 minutes and 48 seconds.
Number 16 shot.
Remaining time is 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Barangay Chemry may 2 pa matama. Barangay Purisima may 1 pa. 4 minutos, 48 segundos. Score, Barangay Chemry 67. Barangay Purisima 69. Seconds. Sabanal, jersey number 1 brings the ball down. Finds Dante. Baseline jumper for 2 points from jersey number 7, Dante. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Ceballos, a bomb from jersey number 17. Oh, good. Rebound by jersey number 7, Dante. Jersey number 28. Pass to Dante. Intercepted. Ceballos for 2 points. Jersey number 17. 71 and 69. 4 minutes remaining. Sabanal. 15 to shoot. To Dante. Fake. Dante. Number 28. And foul. A foul committed by jersey number 17. And Ceballos. 4th personal foul on jersey number 17. 3rd team foul on Barangay Purisima. Rebound, Ceballos, jersey number 16. Brings the ball down. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Ceballos. Heat check, no good. Rebound number 91. Reverse, 2 points by number 91, De La Peña. 73-69. No good. Rebound goes to Barangay Purisima. Preno. Back to Ceballos, to Preno. 14 to shoot. To De La Peña, to Ceballos. Takes the pass. Ceballos on the spot to Preno. Pulls up. No good. Rebound by Dante. Jersey number 7. 3 minutes. 15 to shoot. 12. Shot clock 10. 3 points. Jersey number 13. Sabi Dallas. 72-73, 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Shot clock is 15 seconds. 12, 10. Too strong. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. 2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining.
Serve.
2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Sabanal to Dante. Dante, running shot, no good. Rebound with jersey number 24. To Triple T, and ginagawa ni De La Peña. De La Peña to Ceballos. No good. Rebound by number 13, Sabi Dallas. To Francisco. Francisco nagdagan. Francisco, pinili. Number 13, there's a foul on Barangay Purisima. Foul committed by jersey number 24. Ceballos, jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, Ceballos. 4 personal foul. 14 foul on Barangay Purisima. Timeout, Barangay Chambery. Remaining time is 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining. Both teams may tag-isa na ng timeout. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining. 72-73 in favor of Barangay Purisima. 4 minutes, 48 seconds, ay timeout ka, 4th quarter. Kagsubong, 1 minute and 58. May isa pa. May isa ka pabilin. Both teams may tag-isa ng timeout. 4 minutos, 48 segundos, ay timeout ka. Both teams may tag-isa ng timeout. Both teams may tag-isa ng timeout. Sweet charity from Sabanal. 73 all, 1 minute 50 seconds remaining. Breno. 12 to shoot. Cortella Peña. No good. Rebound goes to Ceballos. 12 to shoot. Breno. Foul. Foul. Committed by jersey number 13, Savidaras. Third personal foul. 14 foul. 14 foul. 14 to shoot. Breno. Against Sabal. Move from Breno. Nanggulan. Nakaya Francesco. Pinatagay sa Banal. Sa Banal na gusunod. Sa Banal. Ginura mo. A traveling violation. 1 minute. 23 seconds. One minute, 20 seconds remaining. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Ceballos. To De La Peña. No good. Rebound by Dante. To Sabanal. Sabanal to Francisco Savidaras. 2 points. Time out taken by Barangay Purisima. That is your last time out. 59 seconds remaining. 59 segundos. 75-73. 2-point lead by Barangay Chambery. Again, Barangay Purisima, no more timeout. Barangay Chambery may isa pa.
Ano ang wire na ginagamit?
Wireless.
Wireless. Tapos yan,
75-73. 59 segundos. Shot clock 14 seconds for Barangay Purisima. Ceballos to Ceballos. Aim to shoot. No good. Rebound. Foul jersey number 13. Penalty. Jersey number 13. Breno. First personal foul penalty. 50 segundos. 50 seconds. Number 1 Sabanal, no good. Again, 50 seconds remaining. 75-73. State charity from jersey number 1, 76-73. 45 seconds, foul. Foul committed by jersey number 27, penalty. Jersey number 27, Francisco. That is your third personal foul. First try from jersey number 16, Passer. 2-4-2 from Ceballos, jersey number 16, 75-76. 40 seconds. Shot clock 16. 14. number 17 for 3 points. 78 all ang the score. 15 seconds remaining. 78 all. Both teams will have a timeout. 15 seconds remaining. No more timeouts for both teams. 78 goles. Chamber 7-8 all ang ating score. Shot clock of 14 seconds. Number 27. 10 to shoot. 8. 5. 3. 2 seconds remaining. Jump ball. Same ball. 2 seconds remaining. 2 segundos. It's a win. Or is it overtime? 2 seconds remaining. 2 segundos.
Salok na.
2 seconds. The end of our regulation. 7-8 all. Extra 5 more minutes.
Wala ka nagtito. Nagkrambol ka, wala nagtito. Hindi ka nagtito.
And start we're going to overtime.
Gapo na naman eh. Mga game. Wala kinisik gapo na.
Ano na nga Pontero? Ano na nga cellphone? Pang like mo?
Ang Samsung 23.
Ah, is 23? Sakit-sakit ba? Ito mo yung moment to?
In overtime. Our game between Barangay Chamberlain and Barangay Purisma.
Ano namin sa mga flagship? Ano niya YouTube mo?
Nasa YouTube ko din na dapat.
Sa YouTube na yan. May up kasi ng mga score.
Yung ano ko niya, yung mayroon.
Mayroon sa YouTube. Yung wala no?
Eh, kung makatrial, yan eh, 7 lang kadlaw. Taking subscribe ko na lang 1 year.
Ilang?
1.8.
1.8. Hindi mo pwede
So
sa
for overtime.
Pwede mo siya.
ano nga?
Nang Sportscom. Sportscom.
Crispalios. Moving. Rebound by Francisco. Shot clock 15 seconds. Speed by De La Pena. Pass to Ceballos. Ceballos to Preno. Preno, giving one to Ceballos, number 16. Points for number 16, Ceballos. 81 and a 78. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Dante fakes to number 30, Caratao to Francisco. No good. Rebound goes to Dante. Nabali de la Peña. Pass to Preno. Preno slows down. Preno goes up. Preno leading bit. Out of bounds. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Caratao. 4 minutes. Number 27, Francisco Mazoteno, good rebound by De La Peña. De La Peña to Preno. To Ceballos, jersey number 24. Ceballos. To Ceballos. Fake, Ceballos. Dibalik, 10 to shoot. 8. 5. Too strong. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock 15 seconds. 12. Dante. Face. The number 13, Xavi Dallas. No good. Rebound by Samanal. Shot clock 14 seconds. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 7 to Francisco, short. Rebound by number 24, Ceballos. To Preno. 3 minutes. 14 to shoot. What a pass from De La Peña. 2 points. Timeout. Taken by Barangay January. The remaining time is 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Barangay January, no more timeout for overtime. Barangay Purisima may isa pa. 2 minutos, 52 segundos, 78, 83 in favor of Barangay Purisima. Jersey number 8, Francisco brings the ball down. Shot clock 15 seconds. Francisco. Foul committed by jersey number 19, penalty. Second personal foul on jersey number 19, penalty. Jersey number 27. Two from jersey number 27, Francisco. 83. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Shot clock 15. Preno with a cross. Preno with a behind the back. Woo! Late by number 28. Napali number 8 by Powell at 1 good gun. Foul on jersey number 19 again, the substitution. Jersey number 19, third personal foul. Penalty. Rebound by jersey number 17, Ceballos. Jersey number 24, Ceballos. Back to Ceballos, number 17. To number 16, Ceballos. 14 to shoot. Pass to Preno. Wala tao. No good. Rebound by Dante. Pass to Francisco. Francisco, 2 points. Last 2 minutes. 12 to shoot. 10. 8 to shoot. Francisco short rebound. Dante to Francisco. Francisco number 13. 2 points.
84.
84-83. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Moreno to De La Peña. 14 to shoot. 12. 10. 8. 5. 3. No good. Rebound De La Peña. No good. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. 1 minute. 14 to shoot. 12. 10. Steve by Breno. Breno. To si Palios and Breno. Breno. To si Palios. Oh my foul. Foul on jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. That is your third personal foul penalty. 84-83. 1 point lead. Barangay Chamber. Substitution. Jersey number 16, the first try. Busted. 2-4-2 from jersey number 16, 85-84. 45 seconds remaining. 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Steal by number 16. Jersey number 16. Foul. A foul on jersey number 13, Sabi Dallas. That is your fourth personal foul penalty. 30 segundos, 30 seconds.
Ano point lang ulit? Big fan.
Jersey number 16. 3-4-3 from the free throw lane. No good. 86-84. 25 seconds. Aratao to Francisco. 86 all. 86 squares. 21 seconds remaining. 21 segundos. What a game from both teams. Barangay Chambery and Barangay Purisman. Wala may mga hindi.
Takong.
86 all. 21 seconds remaining. Seconds. This is all. The feed. 10. 8. Francisco Breno, 2 points. First number 13. 88. 4 seconds. 3. game. And the winner, Barangay Purisima, with overtime score 88-86. Coaches, Lieutenant Prana.